and we sustained in market from last 9 years, and we are part of a lot of consortiums, and we've been recognized by UGC. If you look at our presence, about us is we incorporated in the year 2016. It's been almost 9, 10 years now. And recently we have registered our office in US, and put together we serve with around close to around 19 plus countries where we have a clientele, and around 2,500 institutions what we serve. And it's purely a proprietary product of ours where similarity report, AI text detection, and as well grammar analysis, these are all proprietary products. And total reach of around 3 lakh plus users what we have on our platform. At the same time, on the roadmap, even we are working towards accessibility. Like down the line of 3 months now, we will be launching our product where, regardless of ability, everyone can use our product, which is in the beta stage. So I'm not showing anything here, but down the line 3 months, every friend of ours who are disabled will be able to use our product. Coming next to, everybody knows here because I'm very small to talk here because everybody are researchers, publishers, librarians. They know very well that what is plagiarism. In very small words, plagiarism is something which I'm claiming someone else's work as mine, that is plagiarism. Okay, and who is responsible for plagiarism? There are three major stakeholders. One is institutions, companies like us, and authors and students. These are three, major people who can avoid plagiarism. Why institutions should implement the plagiarism in their institute is very witnessed by to uphold their academic integrity, quality research, publish quality papers in journals to publish, as well to prevent duplicate thesis, dissertations, and project works, and at the same time to protect university reputation. Other solutions, as I mentioned, that this is a purely a cutting edge AI and solutions where it helps students, researchers, authors, and companies to work towards ethics and integrity. Our purpose is very simple, that we wanted to encourage originality in writing. Critical thinking is what we wanted to bring on a table. We wanted to promote a culture of honesty and integrity. We purely emphasize on products of plagiarism prevention and adherence to policies. This is how snapshot looks like. Once anybody use our platform, once they generate report, our snapshot looks like this. The report looks like this, where at a single click of button, you'll be able to fetch a report for similarity, AI text detection, and at the same time, grammar analysis. And this is very simple to understand, and predominantly we focus on two major products. One is called folder management, which is basically a lot of friend of ours like librarians are using, and other product called classroom management. In product folder management, the flow is very simple, where we have one admin, under admin there will be users. Okay, and the packages starts from 500 documents to unlimited. And the features here, people users can create subject-wise folders. They'll be able to create subject semester-wise folders, and as well project-wise, they can create a folder. At the same time, they can upload document in a bulk manner. At the same time, they'll be able to delete in a bulk manner, and they'll be able to generate report individually. And on the right hand side, you will be able to see that this is how this dashboard looks like, which is very easy to understand to take data-driven decision makings, where you will be able to see that how many submissions are there and what are the similarity ranges they can compare. So users wise and submission wise. Second, which is little popular these days because majority of the private universities and major universities are using LMS integration, where we are very much agile in terms of technology, where we can integrate with any of the LMS or APIs, where the workflow is little different, where under admin there will be instructors and under them there will be users. So this can create a pure academic interface where usually faculties will throw a lot of assignments to a students. The moment students get an assignment, they can submit their assignment. The moment they submitted their assignment, it will get plagiarized. So this is one of an example, and I would love to talk to people if somebody is interested to know about more of this. And when it comes to LMS integration, we are very much deep integrated with these are the LMSs, and we can very agile to get integrated with any of the ERPs and CRMs. There is one more feature what we have recently launched called title plagiarism, because we all know that majority of the research papers get rejected at the stage of title. So this is one option where we have a lot of good database where any publisher, before they submit their papers or before they start working on particular title, they'll be able to understand this title whether it is available or not. If that title is already exist, they can use this as a reference site and use that particular title. And types of document we support: thesis, dissertation, project works, assignments, synopsis.
Please finish. Please finish in a minute.
So yes. And external publication, research papers, articles and books we support. And these are the few success stories. I think majority of the people know that we are part of UGC, and the UGC implement program. Around 1150 universities are using our product, and along with that, we've been recognized by EICT. And there's a few success stories beyond India, where we are part of major consortiums in Kenya, Nigeria. And these are the compliances all in place, where ISO, AICP, and GDRP. These are the major GDPR. These are the major compliances which are in place. Content coverage, what we have is internal sources, published journals, books, proceedings, etc., student submissions. And not covered is what unpublished, obviously, because these are the non-published which are not available on the internet. Article papers, in-house repositories, and in-house databases. And when we talk about LMS integration, we have an option to give unlimited repository space. So content coverage, this is what a content coverage. I think this is very self-explanatory to read. I'll not take much of your time, sir. Okay, this is a feature-wise. What we offer is it's a purely SaaS-based product. With the help of username and password, you'll be able to access. Feature it supports file formats: PDF, Docs, PPTX, file up to 100 MB. File then can be up to 800 pages. Exclusion filters are there. Integration, okay, with any other LMS and APIs. Institutional repositories, which I mentioned, and multi-language support. We support close to around 20 plus, Indian languages and as well foreign languages. AI text detection. Grammar. This is one statistics what I have shown here. AI text detection and similarity. We are compared from 2023 to 25, similarity trends in AI text detection. You can see the numbers. These days people are taking the help of more AI than the copying from somebody else's work. So I do it. I've already covered. I have a few customers of ours. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you so much.